Hello guys! In today's video I will tell you 10 ways how you can incorporate the powerful spice of turmeric into your diet and beauty routine. Turmeric is a spice that has many potential health benefits due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Here are a few ways you can use turmeric for optimal health benefits. 1. Adding turmeric to your diet. Turmeric has a warm, slightly bitter, and slightly spicy flavor that pairs well with many dishes. It can be used in both sweet and savory recipes. Some ideas for adding turmeric to your diet include sprinkling it over roasted vegetables, adding it to scrambled eggs, mixing it into rice dishes, or using it as a seasoning in soups and stews. 2. Making a turmeric tea. To make turmeric tea, bring a cup of water to a boil and add a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. You can also add honey or lemon to taste. Stir well and let the tea steep for a few minutes before drinking. Turmeric tea can be enjoyed hot or cold and can be sipped throughout the day. 3. Taking a turmeric supplement. Turmeric supplements are available in various forms, such as capsules, tablets, and tinctures. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any new supplement, as turmeric can interact with certain medications and may not be suitable for everyone. 4. Making a turmeric face mask. To make a turmeric face mask, mix together a teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of honey, and enough water to create a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Turmeric can help to reduce inflammation and brighten the skin, but be aware that it may stain the skin temporarily. 5. Using turmeric topically. Turmeric can also be applied topically to the skin in the form of an ointment or cream. It may be helpful for relieving joint pain and inflammation when applied to the affected area. As with any new topical product, it is a good idea to do a patch test on a small area of skin before applying it more widely to make sure you don't have any adverse reactions. 6. Mixing turmeric into smoothies or juice. Turmeric can be added to smoothies or juice for a boost of flavor and nutrition. To make a turmeric smoothie, blend together your choice of fruits and vegetables with a teaspoon of turmeric, a cup of milk or plant-based milk, and a sweetener such as honey or maple syrup if desired. To make turmeric juice, mix together a teaspoon of turmeric with your choice of fruit and vegetable juices. 7. Using turmeric as a natural food coloring. Turmeric can be used as a natural food coloring in baked goods and other dishes. It can add a vibrant yellow color and a slight spicy flavor. When using turmeric as a food coloring, keep in mind that it may stain utensils and surfaces temporarily. 8. Making a turmeric latte. To make a turmeric latte, heat a cup of milk or plant-based milk in a saucepan until hot but not boiling. Stir in a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon and ginger. If desired, you can also add a pinch of black pepper to help increase absorption of the turmeric. Pour the latte into a mug and enjoy it hot or cold. 9. Adding turmeric to your skincare routine. Turmeric has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit the skin. To use it in your skincare routine, mix a small amount of turmeric with your regular moisturizer or facial oil and apply it to your skin. Be aware that turmeric may temporarily stain the skin, so it is best to do a patch test on a small area of skin before using it more widely. 10. Trying a turmeric tonic. To make a turmeric tonic, bring a cup of water to a boil and add a teaspoon of turmeric, a slice of ginger, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Let the tonic steep for a few minutes before drinking. You can enjoy it hot or chilled and can adjust the ingredients to your taste. Turmeric tonic is a refreshing and healthy drink that can be enjoyed any time of day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.